नियाग्रा फॉल में इस वक्त माशाल्लाह से ऊपर आ जाओ माशाल्लाह से आ जाओ। आओ
Safety, this boat is equipped with all necessary and proper life-saving and firefighting equipment. Life jackets are stored in a layered storage lockers located throughout the boat. The instructions on how to wear life jackets is also clearly labeled in the storage locker. Life rafts are located at the stern of the boat. In the event of an emergency, please remain calm. An alarm will sound and you will be directed by our crew members on how to proceed. If you require special care or assistance in an emergency situation,
Oh, it's much better. I found a spot. This is much better. Because you're up here. Now I can barely see.
as we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. And a recent notable rock fall. In 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the
ये देखिए अमेरिकन हमें देखते
हम लोग इस तरह जाएंगे।
हाँ अगर हम ब्रिज से जाए ना तो हम यहाँ आ सकते हैं। इसकी टिकट है इसकी वहाँ से घूम के इधर आना पड़ेगा हमको।
or horseshoe shape of the crest line, and the city of Niagara Falls in all its natural beauty continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors from all over the world each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls were located 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with the Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion for Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion
Ah, नीचे. Oh my god.
Surprise. Hey, excuse me.
Okay. ऊपर जाओ चलो रेम्बो ब्रिज गाड़ी